Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, where monthly craft kits are delivered straight to your door. Unleash your creativity with our Memphis vinyl and Shibori tea towel kit. This kit includes everything you need to design a vibrant, one-of-a-kind tea towel. Explore the art of Shibori dyeing and add a pop of personality with geometric Memphis-inspired iron on vinyl. Dive into a world of color and customization. Inside your box, you will find your Memphis design template, some elastic bands, a cotton tea towel, disposable gloves, your nylon fabric dye in fresh orange, some salt, your lemon yellow iron on vinyl, and a wooden lollipop stick. You'll also find your step-by-step instructions to help you along the way. Lay your tea towel flat on a surface. Find the center point, pinch it, and lift the tea towel by that spot. Gather the towel around the center, keeping hold of it. Wrap the first elastic band tightly around the gathered tea towel, about 5 centimeters from the center. Make sure the elastic band is wrapped tightly. Space the remaining 2 bands evenly along the gathered towel. The last band should be just above the short edge of the tea towel. Put on your gloves to protect your hands. Open the dye packet and pour the powder into a bowl or jug with 500 milliliters of warm water. Stir with the wooden stick until the dye is fully dissolved. Fill a bowl or sink with about 6 liters of hot, not boiling, water. Add the entire 250 grams of salt to the water and stir until dissolved. Pour the dye solution into the saltwater mixture and stir thoroughly. Submerge your tied tea towel into the dye bath, making sure it's completely covered. Use the wooden stick to turn the towel every 10 to 15 minutes. Leave the towel in the dye bath for 1 hour. Remove the tea towel from the dye bath and rinse it thoroughly in cold water until the water runs clear. Remove the elastic bands and unfold the towel. Wash the towel in warm water and allow it to dry completely. Cut out each shape from the design template as accurately as possible. Using a pencil, trace around the templates on the back, the white side of the iron-on vinyl. Arrange your shapes close together to maximize the use of the vinyl sheet. You can draw as few or as many shapes as you'd like. Carefully cut out the shapes from the yellow vinyl, cutting just inside the pencil lines to avoid any marks. Iron your tea towel to smooth out any wrinkles, creating a flat surface for decorating. Arrange the vinyl shapes on the tea towel in a border around the edge, with the yellow side facing up. Set your iron to the highest setting. Place a sheet of thin paper or fabric over a section of the vinyl shapes. Press down firmly with the iron for 10 to 15 seconds. Once the vinyl has cooled, peel off the clear sheet. If the vinyl lifts, press for another 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat this process for all shapes. Finish by ironing the reverse side of the tea towel. Press down firmly with the iron for around 10 to 15 seconds. And there you have it, your very own Memphis vinyl and Shibori tea towel. Put it to use or display as you please. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit project next month.